Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video, and in this video we are going to be understanding that how we can use Google Flow Labs to actually bring life to just an image. There are several tools already available in the market, but as soon as Google Flow has launched it, and right now if you're watching it from India, it is not available for India. Never mind, I have already recorded a video which you can find it somewhere over here, and you can see how you can use Google Flow and Google Gemini Pro for free for 1 month, and how you can actually use it from India without actually having any kind of VPN or anything. How you can do that, this is the link, and you can go over there, watch it, and come back to this video again. In this video we are going to be understanding that how we can use these tools to actually bring live our images, and how we can actually create images which are into our mind and generate those images into videos, and not just videos but also put life into it. Let's understand that, and let me just quickly get you to my Google Flow dashboard. So once you have gone through the video, you'll land on something like this. Just simply Google your Google Flow and you'll come onto a dashboard like this. And this is not available in India right now, but it is accessible only for people in US. And you can use an US registered email ID to access this for now if you are in India. And that's what I'm doing it. And that is how I'm able to access it. Let's just come onto the dashboard. I've created a new fresh project so that I can demonstrate for you guys. And when you click here, make sure you have a pro account subscribed over here, okay? Else it won't be available for what I'm showing, demonstrating it over here. So when you click on this, you will get options like text to video, frames to video, and this is yet to be launched. Ingredients to video. Let's do text to video, and let me just generate a video with text. Basically what this will do is I'll give a prompt, I'll give an explanation of my video, and it will generate a video as per my explanation. Something like a monkey, or to be very specific, an Indian monkey worshipping Lord Shiva, river banks. Just a very basic, simple, random thought. It just came, and I have just put that. And let me just click on enter. You can see it has started to generate videos. So in the meantime, it is generating the video. I'll just give you few tips to generate videos. Make sure you are not using any famous personalities' names, images to, because of the policies. Without their consent, you cannot do that. So make sure you are creating it for your own use cases. You are not using it for any kind of, wrong use cases. Tool will not generate videos. Even if it generates, it will not give the audio. I did generation of using Jordan Belfort, where it did not give me the audio. It did generated the video, but that too I did thousand and thousand of trials to that way. Earlier it was not analyzing Jordan Belfort's name. It was giving me errors that it does not comply with our policies, and that it was giving me errors, so it was not generating the video. After failing and trying and multiple of times, finally it generated a video, but I have to degrade the model. Under, if you see over here, we have VO3, okay? So VO3, and when you degrade this model, it will actually generate the video, but it will not generate the audio. So you can see right now the footages which we have got, it will have audio as well, okay? But what I got through because it had a famous personality's name in it, it did not generate an audio for me. So let's just see what it has given. So you can see it has totally given worshipping Lord Shiva at the river banks of Rishikesh. The second footage somewhere looks like some other hill station, but the first footage, which is this one, I totally would say is from this particular thing, the Rishikesh view only. This also is a Rishikesh view. Well, let's see. See the quality it has given, the clarity, and that is why you might have 3 is all over the top, is because the output they are Apple has given by now. How about it? This is how I demonstrated you to how you can generate video through a text, but let's see how you can actually generate video by using images. Okay, so let me just click on this, and you can click on frames to video. When you click on frames to video, here you get an option of, you can see the icons changed over here as soon as I clicked on the frames to video. Here is a plus icon, and you have to upload your image which you want to generate video for. So I'll upload my AI avatar. This is my AI avatar of Squid Game, which I generated from from a tool called I think it is Artwork. Yeah, you can Google that artwork.com, or I'll mention the link of the this tool from where I generated my Squid Games avatar. I'll mention the link in the description box. You can refer from there. So it is I have uploaded that, and let's see what it can generate. So for this, I'll be taking help of ChatGPT now, because what I'll do is I'll go back to GPT and I'll ask GPT. So I'm here back on my ChatGPT dashboard, as you can see, and here I've uploaded the image which I uploaded on. So all I'll do is I'll ask GPT to write to me a prompt, a description of the video I require, and I'll just simply copy it from GPT and paste it on Flow Lab. This is my AI avatar from inspired by Squid Games. Write me a prompt for Flow Labs to generate a video footage for this. Make sure you show me the main character. Also, few more characters in the scene. Make sure it is an 8 second. Why I mentioned 8 second prompt? Because VO3 only generates 8 second prompt, and again you can do it clip by clip, copy pasting. So let's just hit enter and let's see what ChatGPT gives us. And what we'll simply do is just whatever prompt we get from here. If you are happy with the prompt which GPT has given, you can just simply copy it and paste it on your Google Flow Labs to generate the video which you are expecting to put life into it. Okay, so you will see it is analyzing the image right now. I've given it the image and it is analyzing that for now, and it has started to write the prompt as well. So you can see if I'll find it good to go, I'll proceed, else I'll iterate it. Okay, a tense neon lit inspired by Squid Game aesthetics, a fearless woman in red hooded outfit. I think this is good to go for now to demonstrate. If you are not happy, again you can put more things and you can ask ChatGPT to give another prompt. I'm just simply copying this prompt, paste it on Flow. So I'm back on my Flow Labs dashboard, and here you'll see I have uploaded the image is here, and I've just pasted the prompt which we have just got from GPT, and let me just hit enter. So you can see it has started to generate the footage, and let's see what output it gives. And I'm sure you will be mind blown by the output, because I've already tested and tried a lot of things with Google Flow Lab, and I'm really happy and really satisfied with the output it has given. Obviously you can iterate it and you can make it better by providing better description of the video you want, because this is an AI. You have to explain it what kind of ambience you want, what kind of dress you want, what kind of tonality you want of the character, who do you want to be the main character, do you want to add more characters, do you want the color and vibe to be red, blue, green. All these explanations has to be given, and it will generate the footage accordingly. If you don't give this kind of explanation to your AI model, it will just generate a random footage, which I think you can already generate from any XYZ platform. But to generate it from here and use it in your actual use cases, you have to be very clear, and you have to actually demonstrate all the things clearly. It should be like spoon feeding to your AI, that what you are having in your mind, you have to put it into word and spoon feed your AI that what do you want, and then only it will generate. So you can see it is taking a little bit of time as compared to the monkey reel, because that is this what we have provided is frames to reel. This what we have done is text to video, and that is why this was a little bit faster than this one. It is a little bit more time taking process than this one. It's because obviously this is more personalized, this is more customized, it is using characters, it is using my real images, and you can see the first footage is already there. And let's see what kind of footage we have got. This is the first footage. Let's see what the second footage is. In the first output, it is only the screen is only the camera is only moving across my face, and no hand movements or no eye movements is done. But still, it does not feel like it's an AI avatar. And at the background, you can see three Squid Games characters are already there. You can see it has taken reference from Squid Game, and it totally looks like that. It's somewhat like squad agents are there, something like this. It feels like. And in the second footage, you can also see my eye movements over there. You can see how my eye movements have also been captured over here. Now it depends totally on you what kind of footage you are happy with, and you can simply just click on this download download button and you can download, take it offline. And one thing which I have personally not liked because in this particular tool is that it is providing, even though right now I have subscribed for this pro subscription, right? I am under the pro subscription, but still it is already providing me the watermark. I don't know that what is the logic of this, but never mind. You can also remove the watermark under editing process. That's also a thing, but I don't know what is the. I am someone like if I've subscribed for a pro subscription, then why I have been provided a watermark footage? That's just my query. But again, it depends person to person. So that's all about it in this particular video. And this tool you can use it in multiple use cases. You can use it for generating faceless video content. You can use it for generating b rolls of your video content. You can use it for generating UGC ads. You can also use it for generating multiple faceless ad videos as well. Again, there are tools available. There are multiple use cases. It totally depends on your creativity. It totally depends on what kind of creativity you have and how many things you want to generate. That's all depends on your creativity and your power to get these things created from the AI tool. Because again, it is all about spoon feeding. I have done nothing in front of you. I've just done the spoon feeding. That too, I've juggled from GPT to this tool, and we have generated the content and everything in just a fraction of minutes. That's all about it in this particular video. And let me know your comments for this particular video in the comment section. And all the resources will be already be there in the description box. So make sure you refer through that I had in this particular video, and let me know once you try it out. Please give me the feedback, what kind of output you had. If you want any kind of specific things to be generated from this particular tool, if you want me to do that, don't forget to put that in the comment section and I'll do that. I'll research about it and I'll bring a video for that as well. And that's all about it, and I'll see you in the next one.